So as you're going to see, my ceilings were probably one of my biggest issues. They had a lot of flaws, some cracks, crevices kind of pieced together. So I had to come up with a way to try to conceal all of those flaws. So how I started out is I started by filling all of those cracks that you see in the ceiling with a silicone that is made for RVs. And here is what they look like before the tile installation. So I found these sticky tiles at the dollar store, and I thought they'd work great because they have a raised surface. I started out by priming them. I didn't trust the dollar store's adhesive, so I did add extra adhesive. I started in the corner and just started sticking them to the ceiling. After all of the tiles were stuck, I came back and used a white silicone to seal the edges, kind of like a grout. I just used my finger to make them all look seamless. After letting them sit for 24 hours, I came back, painted the ceiling white, and I could not be more pleased with the final project.